Have you ever opened your journal and stared at a blank page and immediately closed it? You wanted to write. You even brought the notebook. Maybe you watched videos about journaling and saved dozens of prompts, and when it's time to actually write, your mind goes blank. The strange thing is that journaling is supposed to help slow down, yet, for many people, it has become another thing on their to do list. So, why does something as simple as writing your thoughts feel so difficult today? Let's talk about it. Think about your average day. Before you even get out of bed, you probably seen messages, emails, videos, news updates, or social media posts. Our brains are constantly receiving information, but journaling requires the opposite. It asks us to pause, to notice, and to reflect. The problem isn't that we don't have thoughts. The problem is that we rarely alone with them long enough to hear them. Years ago, waiting in the line meant standing with your thoughts. Today, every empty moment is filled with content. And when reflecting becomes rare, journaling starts feeling unnatural. Not because you're bad at it, but because you are out of practice. Another reason journaling feels difficult is because we have turned it into a performance. Many people think a journal entry needs to be deep, insightful, or beautifully written. But a journal isn't a book. Nobody's grading it, nobody's reading it. Some of the most useful journal entries are surprisingly simple. I felt tired today. I don't know why. I'm anxious. Enjoyed my morning walk. That's it. The purpose of journaling isn't creating perfect pages, it's creating awareness. Sometimes clarity comes after writing one sentence, not 10 pages. When we stop expecting perfection, journaling becomes much more easier. When people struggle with journaling, they often try to do more. More prompts, more notebooks, more complicated system. But consistency usually comes from doing less. Instead of writing for 20 minutes, write it for 2. Instead of filling a page, write 3 sentences. Ask yourself, what am I feeling today? What am I thinking? What do I need right now? Answer those 3 questions honestly and then stop. A short journal entry written constant is far more valuable than a perfect journal you only use once a month. Maybe journaling feels difficult because you're trying to force it to be something it was never meant to be. It's not another productivity tool, it's not a self improvement challenge, it's simply a conversation with yourself. And in a world that constantly demands our attention, that conversation has become more valuable than ever. So if you have been struggling to journal lately, try making it smaller. One sentence, one thought, one honest moment on paper. Because sometimes that's all it takes to reconnect with yourself. If journaling has ever felt difficult for you, let me know on the comments what is your biggest challenge. If you like videos on journaling, analog living, and slowing down in this busy world, subscribe and I will see you in my next video.